Structurally higher policy uncertainty, trade disruption, and geopolitical tensions are just some of the concerns facing global investors today. Shifting dynamics suggest that global bond market investors would benefit from diversifying their portfolios. India fixed income stands out as a compelling alternative as it offers relatively high yield and is seeing strong cyclical and secular drivers. The Reserve Bank of India held rates steady in the August meeting after front-loading the rate cuts. We believe there may be room to act later in the year, which would also be dependent on the assessment of tariff-related uncertainties on India's growth. A positive factor is India's benign inflation outlook, especially led by food prices and steady core inflation. Maintaining substantial liquidity in the banking system would also continue to enhance effective policy transmission. Overall, this helps from a constructive backdrop for India bonds. For global investors, a critical consideration is the Indian rupee, which is now more stable than in the past, thanks to a robust macro framework and the central bank's substantial foreign exchange reserves. Adding to that, a manageable current account deficit and a surge in services export continue to lend structural support for currency stability. In the face of global uncertainty, India's domestic growth orientation provides added resilience. This serves as an advantage for India bonds as it suggests that asset class is less impacted by global market developments. This can also be seen in India bonds' low correlation as well as outperformance against emerging market and developed market peers over the last decade. India's potential inclusion in other major bond indices is an added catalyst that not only supports passive and active flows, but can also help improve demand, deepen the market, and compress risk premiums over time. Strong real yields, index inclusion tailwinds, a more stable currency, and domestic-led growth collectively position India bonds as a resilient portfolio diversifier. India bonds offer relative stability and potential upside in an uncertain global environment.